Happy New Year, it's 2024. This is Chef Luigi with the tip of the week. Today, we have lemons, okay? Now, lemons are great. You want to get the maximum juice out of your lemon. Roll it. Break up the particles inside so the fruit starts to juice inside the skin. All right. Take your knife, 2 fingers each side. Make sure you use a sharp knife. If it's not sharp, it'll slide and you will cut yourself. Take the lemon, squeeze it. Look at all that juice pouring out. Look at it. It just squirted at me too. That's a half a lemon. That's a small lemon. Okay? The rest of it, what you want to do in the summertime or when you're hot or just for flavoring, if you want a cold drink, you don't want it watered down, take your lemon, cut it. Okay? Cut the lemon. Take the lemon wedges. Throw them in a container, pop them in the freezer, okay? Pop them in your freezer, let them freeze. When you take your drink out, instead of grabbing an ice cube, you grab a nice lemon wedge, and you don't water down your beverage. This is Luigi with the tip of the week, saying a Happy New Year, my paisans. Salute and start the born.